Good afternoon, y'all. How are you today? Welcome to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. So, dog running around. This is going to be a short Wednesday video we're going to put some wiper blades on the 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. Now, I know a lot of y'all are probably going, why would I need a video on that? Everybody knows how to do that. Well, because not everybody knows how to do that. So the whole reason that I started this YouTube channel in the first place was to help out kids who don't know how to do things. So, not everybody knows how to do this. You and I probably do, but such is life. Alright, so when you go to take your old, see if I can get this in wipers off, they're always going to have, it'll either be a button or some other way to release it from the hook. So if you look right here where my finger's pointing, there's a little thing there that is a lever. You can push it down. It feels spring-loaded. It's just plastic. And what you're going to want to do is push that down and then push the wiper towards, if I can get all this at the same time. There we go. And it'll come right off. So this is a U-shaped piece here, and if you look at the piece that came off of it, you'll see what we were pushing down is that little tab right there. So it fits through the little hole in the end of the U right here. So now that we've got that off, we can take our new wiper blade. Now, because I live here in South Carolina, and you can notice all this pollen all over the truck, we go through wiper blades maybe a little quicker than a lot of people, because we're constantly using the windshield washers to get all of the pollen off of the truck. So you take your new blades, they're going to have these little, they'll either have these type things on the end, or they'll have one all the way across it. But you want to take those off. Those are just to protect it while it's in the box. And we don't need, for a Dodge, we don't need any of the adapters. So if you look at this, you'll notice there's a curved end that's going to fit right up in that hook. And push it on there, and that, whoops, the little teat will stick in the hole, and you're good to go. So now we will put this old one back in the package, which it won't fit because it's bigger, but just make it easier to throw it away. So yeah, getting streaks on my windshield is a pet peeve of mine. And we also end up with a lot of bugs around here too, bug kills. So I change out my wiper blades quite often. Anyways, your second one, it's going to be the same deal. You're going to want to pull it. Let me get this new one out of the package real quick. You'll notice these wiper blades come with a whole bunch of adapters for use on all different kind of cars. But on this Dodge Ram, we don't need any of the adapters. It will fit on there with the one that comes on it from the factory. So just like the other side, we're going to reach up in here and press down our little plastic piece. There we go. Take our new one and slide it in place. And you'll know it when it's in there. It'll have a little click. I don't know if you could hear it on the camera, but you could feel it in your fingers. But that's it. There we go. We have a new set of wiper blades. And like I said, that's kind of a pet peeve of mine, having to look through a streaky windshield. And with all the pollen this time of year, we're constantly running our windshield washers to clean that crap off of the windshield, and putting new blades on there ensures that you won't have a streaky windshield. Yeah, you can see all the pollen all over everything. It's not as bad. I don't know, for some reason this year it doesn't seem to be as bad, but you can see all this yellow junk all over the Jeep here. It's just nasty. I know it messes. They say the yellow is the pine pollen, but at the same time the pine pollen is out, we also have the what you call oak pollen, and I think the oak is what really messes with me. But if you look, you can see where I'm writing in the windshield in that pollen. And there are times when it'll be so bad everything out here will be yellow. The air will be yellow. It's absolutely horrid. But hopefully this will help some of y'all out. I know, you know, sometimes people who've been working on cars for a long time, we take for granted the little things, and you know, don't always realize that everybody doesn't know it. So there we go. Now we've got new windshield wiper blades on the 2006 Dodge Ram 1500, and we'll move on to Elsewise. Hopefully y'all found this useful. I appreciate y'all watching and supporting the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a good one.